Floods in Punjab has majorly affected farmers and their crops. Paddy procurement has begun from today, but this floods has majorly affected the farmers all over Punjab in 23 districts. But you see, as in grain market here in Mohali, Kharad area, farmers have begun to bring their crops, their paddy in the market, and also the procurement process has been started. Though it usually starts from October 1, but seeing the weather condition in previous days and the floods in Punjab, the procurement has begun 15 days earlier, and also for these crops and the procurement. 2389 is the MSP that has been decided per quintal, and also 1822 mandis all over Punjab has been fully prepared for the procurement process. And also there are 48 mandis that are operational from today, but in coming days there are 10 to 15 mandis as well, grain markets where people, flood affected families have taken shelters. So there the procurement process will take 8 to 10 days to start. But you see how here tractor trolleys, you see farmers have begun with the for the procurement process of paddy, and labor here is making the arrangement for the crops to be lifted, loaded, or to unload the crops. And also the moisture has been also checked, because for the procurement 17% of the moisture is to be seen in this paddy. And also each and single grain of it is to be lifted. That is a commitment of the government as well, because 1,75,000 metric ton is a crop that is being lifted. And from here this season, because this season it's more challenging for the farmers as well, because 1 lakh more than 1 lakh 98 thousand hectares of the cropland is being affected due to floods. So there was paddy that farmers were making prepare, and that is being majorly affected. So it's a challenging for the farmers as well, and also for the government to make the arrangement that is being started from today. With video journalist Aman Gupta, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today from Mohali.